How to use a two-legged pullback indicator to identify traps. All traps are automatically marked by magenta boxes. Remember, traps are failed second entries. They are second entries that fail to make a scalper's profit. A scalper's profit is 5 ticks. 1 tick for the stop entry, 4 ticks for the point. Here we see a magenta box. This magenta box is a trap because you have this failed second entry. You have the first pullback, first entry, second pullback, and here you have a second entry. You see here that this second entry fails to make a scalper's profit. It only really goes down by 1 tick. Since it fails to make a scalper's profit and then reverses, on the reversal we have a trap. Here, this trap is marked with a magenta box. Traps are powerful setups typically because at the point of the trap, which is typically 1 tick above the signal bar, you have both the force of bears covering and bulls entering in all in one spot, typically causing the market to spike. You can use the two-legged pullback indicator to help you study the charts, to identify traps, to identify where they're most frequent, and you can also use it during live trading as well. Here is an example of a failed second entry long. Here we see a magenta box, so we know a trap has occurred. Why is this a trap? Well, it's because you have this two-legged pullback. You have the first pullback, first entry, and you have the second pullback that goes all the way down here, and then you have the second entry. You see that this second entry fails to make a point or scalper's profit and then reverses, and on the reversal we have a trap. And here we see that this is a successful trap because of how the market moves after it triggers. That's how you use the two-legged pullback indicator to identify traps.